Welcome to Stacked Support. In this video, we're going to be going over what stacked sites are, and we're going to be discussing the features before we go ahead and show you step by step in the videos beneath this how to get up and running. So let's take a look at our example site. Now, the stacked sites are self-updating sites. So what we will be doing is we will be connecting RSS feeds of other popular blogs. Then Stacked will be systematically going out and looking when there are new articles. We will be taking those articles, taking the image and the text, changing them up a little bit, and then posting them as fresh content on your site. And this will work periodically without you having to do anything else. And the beauty is that the stacked sites have lots of monetization. So when people find your websites, they go through, they read your articles, there's going to be these monetization features. Okay, so you'll see that there's loads of articles that people can flick through and they can read. And you're going to be able to set these up for any niche that you think is appropriate. We've got the example site there, so you can have that to start with, but you can then create another one on any topic that you would like. So if we look at an example article page, what you'll immediately see is that we've got some banner ads at the top and on the side. These are going to be switched out and changed. And if people click on them, they go through, you can use an affiliate link, okay? So in the article, the top of the article, we've got calls to actions and buttons that you can again change, put in affiliate links, drive traffic to other websites, for example. That's the first thing that people read. So make sure that it's congruent with the site as a whole. And then likewise, at the bottom of every article, we've got an opt-in, so we can start building our list and getting and selling more products. In addition to this, we've got this pop-up on the right-hand side that pops up. Again, this can be modified, and it's a simple like iPhone style pop-up where it says a question, it's got a yes or no. If you click no, it will obviously disappear, but we can click yes, and then it says something else, and there is a button there that will proceed to something as well. So we've got all that. We've also got the ability to put in links to other pages at the top: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, these sorts of good stuff that you like to see on any blog. So essentially, this is what the stacked sites look like. These are the features, but we have the ability to put in any content that we want, and this will update as we move forward into the future without doing anything to these sites. That's what's so cool about them. So as I said at the start of this video, beneath this one, there's a series of other videos that will show you how to set up the example site and put in your own links, for example, how to create a site from scratch, and how to do all the other setups that you might need to get things correctly, in conjunction with a whole load of other tutorials that we think that you'll find useful, along with some resources as well. So good luck. This is Stacked. We'll see you soon.